Hello and welcome to this cooking show. Today we are going to learn how to make a delicious and traditional Indian dessert, Gajar Ka Halwa. It's a sweet, creamy and warming dessert that's perfect for the cold weather. So let's get started. For making Gajar Ka Halwa, we need few ingredients. I will tell you about the ingredient. 4 medium-sized carrot, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and if you have heavy cream, you can use. If you don't have, no issue. 1 cup of sugar, then ghee, cardamom and chopped almond. First we have to grate the carrot. So now that we have all our ingredients, let's start cooking. So first, we'll heat the ghee in a deep pan over a medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, add the grated carrot and cook. We cook for 10 minutes until they are tender. Now I added milk and sugar. Let the mixture come to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. As the mixture starts to thicker, we can add the chopped almond and cardamom powder. Again, we'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Our Gajar Ka Halwa is now ready. Serve it hot and warm. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Gajar Ka Halwa and don't forget to give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, bye.